Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about something that we all experience in life, adversity. Life is full of challenges, and at some point, we will all face difficult times. Whether it's losing a job, going through a breakup, or facing financial struggles, adversity can make us feel lost and defeated. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the right mindset and strategies, we can rise from adversity and become stronger than ever before. So, if you're ready to learn how to rise from adversity and come out stronger, stick around. We've got some valuable insights and strategies to share with you. Let's get started. We've all experienced difficult times in our lives. Maybe you've faced job loss, a breakup, or financial struggles. Whatever it may be, when we're faced with adversity, it can be tough to stay positive and optimistic. But remember, you're not alone. We've all been there. What sets us apart is how we handle those situations. When you're at your lowest, that's when it's time to rise. First, start by thinking about the things that can make you feel better. What makes you happy and motivated? Is it exercising, hanging out with friends, or starting a new hobby? Find the things that can make you smile and feel energized. Next, focus on your goals. What do you want to achieve in your life? Is it advancing your career, building a happy family, or exploring the world? Write down your goals and make a plan to achieve them. Third, don't be afraid to ask for help. No one can succeed alone. Don't hesitate to reach out to people who care about you. Family, friends, or even a counselor can help you through tough times. And finally, remember that failure is just a stepping stone to success. If you've experienced failure, don't give up. Failure is not the end of everything. Learn from your mistakes and use that experience to become better. We've all faced adversity. But what makes the difference is how we handle those situations. Don't give up, keep fighting, and you'll rise from adversity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with the people you love. See you in the next motivational video.